Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can handle pet hair, carpets, and hard floors without dragging a heavy vacuum around the house, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum 9141 AMZ is definitely worth checking out. The biggest advantage is the cordless stick design. Without a power cord getting in your way, you can quickly move from room to room, clean stairs, furniture, and other areas without constantly unplugging and reconnecting the vacuum. And for pet owners, Shark specifically designed this model with pet hair pickup in mind. Pause. The vacuum provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, giving you enough cleaning time for many everyday cleaning sessions. Actual runtime can vary depending on the cleaning mode and how the vacuum is being used. Another useful feature is the XL Dust Cup. A larger dust cup means you can collect more dirt and debris before needing to stop and empty the vacuum, which is especially convenient when you're cleaning larger areas or dealing with lots of pet hair. The vacuum also includes LED headlights on the cleaning head. These might sound like a small feature, but they're surprisingly useful. The lights can help illuminate dirt, dust, and pet hair underneath furniture or in darker areas where debris can otherwise be easy to miss. Pause. And when you need more flexibility, the vacuum can be converted into a removable handheld vacuum. That's useful for cleaning sofas, stairs, car interiors, furniture, and other smaller areas where using a full stick vacuum isn't practical. You also get a crevice tool, which can help reach narrow spaces around furniture and other hard-to-access areas. The 9141 AMZ is designed for both carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile option for everyday household cleaning. Of course, cordless convenience comes with a trade-off. You have a limited runtime and need to recharge the battery between longer cleaning sessions. But if your priority is quick, convenient cleaning without dealing with a power cord, this Shark is a compelling option. Overall, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum 9141 AMZ combines cordless convenience, pet hair pickup, a 40-minute runtime, XL Dust Cup, LED headlights, handheld flexibility, and multi-floor cleaning. For pet owners who want a lightweight and convenient everyday vacuum, this Shark is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.